everyone. Welcome to Chevron STEM Zone at the Natural Valley First Tee Open.
Hi, and I'm Daniel.
Daniel, tell us about the ceremony. Huh? What?
Looks awesome.
It looks awesome. Oh, it looked awesome.
You stand in front of a thermal camera that measures the heat given off your body, which is called infrared radiation.
We give off radiation,
Yes, it's heat that's produced through your muscles and internal organs.
and the results are very colorful.
And you get a picture taken at home.
I can hardly wait to see it. There are all kinds of fun things to do there at Chevron STEM Zone. Thanks, Chevron.